Using cold calling to promote your dropshipping business. Now, trust me when I tell you, this piece of information you're receiving right now is priceless. Using cold calling to promote your new dropshipping business is a great way to generate new leads and at the same time, very quickly build an email list. I have built 3 successful companies using the same business model, and you better believe that cold calling was definitely a big part of my marketing plan. In fact, cold calling was more like my secret weapon. Of course, I know it's true. A lot of people hate making cold calls or sales calls in general, and guess what? Most of these people fail in business. If you plan to succeed at any business venture, you have to be all in. You got to be willing to do whatever it takes to get the word out in order to find new customers. Even if you hate cold calling, it's a damn good way to get the word out there to a lot of people fast. No matter what type of dropshipping business you plan on venturing into, there will be no shipping taking place until sales are first made. Think about it for a second. Your customers have to come from somewhere. And if they don't know about you, they will never find that awesome e-commerce website you spent hours on top of hours tinkering with until it was perfect. Now, don't get me wrong. I know some people are great at building online traffic streams and building an online list. Perhaps these type of people need not resort to making cold calls. Regular people like myself, however, that are not computer tech nerds or SEO geeks, must do whatever it takes to achieve the end result of making sales. Besides that, I believe in order to succeed in a competitive business environment or industry, you got to be different than everyone else. So while Joe Blow is wasting time tinkering with his online store, people like myself are out there hammering the phone, doing whatever it takes to create a buzz around our business. Now, like I mentioned earlier, cold calling was a big reason for the success of my businesses. I used it as my secret weapon because it's the perfect tool for creating brand awareness and building an email list to start marketing your products to. When you're just starting out with your new dropshipping business, it's going to take some hard work and elbow grease. That is, if you want to have a successful dropshipping business. Now, let me tell you something you already know. Sales will be the lifeblood of your company. Regardless of what type of business you start, what type of industry you're in, or what type of dropshipping business you decide to start, if you don't make any sales, you don't make any money. So it only makes sense that you should get the word out to as many people as you can, and cold calling is an awesome way to reach literally a ton of people. It's a great way to introduce your dropshipping business to begin with. It's also a great way to build an email list from scratch. And once you have an email list built, you can begin to email your offers to the potential customers on your list. Now, let me give you an example. When I opened up Midwest Industrial Supply in 2009, I needed to get the word out fast, and I needed to build an email list fast. At the time, the industrial supply business was new. The manufacturing industry was a new niche that I was targeting. Since I wasn't great at building a list from online methods, I had to do what I had to do. And I needed to use what I knew, which was cold calling. Plus, I needed to be different than everyone else. So what I did was put together a real short and sweet pitch, and by doing that, I was able to accomplish 3 things. First of all, my main goal was to get the word out, create brand awareness. Secondly, I wanted to build an email list fast so I could market my products to potential customers and start making sales. The third thing I wanted to accomplish along the way was to make some sales along the way. That way, I got a head start. And basically what I did is ask the customer if I could help them out with something, but I only asked them that after I had already gotten the email. I do have a copy of the pitch, and you will be able to see that. But by doing it this way, it allowed me to get a few sales, get a tons of emails, and also learn a little bit more about some of my potential customers. Now, just to show you what's going on here and give you an idea, my initial campaign was set for 3 months. I plan to make 100 calls a day, which is 500 calls a week. In order to make a lot of calls quickly, I used an auto dialer service called Phone Burner, which by far is the best auto dialer out there. By the way, you can get a free trial of Phone Burner right here. Now, although my campaign was originally set for 500 calls a week for 12 weeks, in reality, it actually took me 15 weeks of making calls in order to reach my goal of 3,500 emails. But in the process, I was also able to generate 27 sales from that initial first cold call, which is in addition to getting the customer emails. Now, the results of my campaign were as follows. Total number of calls, 7,648. Total number of emails, 3,522. Total number of sales, 27. Average order amount, $168.43. Total sales, $4,547.61. My gross profit from those sales, which was like an added bonus, was $2,429.32. And my markup or margin was basically a double up, 2.147. So even though it did take me an extra 3 weeks to reach my goal of 3,500 emails, it was a very successful campaign. Not only did I get 3,522 emails, but I was also able to open up 27 accounts or make 27 sales on that very first initial cold call. This was an added bonus since I was mainly going for the emails to build the list. Realistically, I was only expecting a handful of sales during this campaign. So this should be proof of how you can really use cold calling to promote your business and build an email list fast. Now, if you're an SEO whiz, or an expert at list building online, and you can build an email list of 3,500 strong within 3 months, hey, more power to you. For me, though, and for a lot of others people out there, building a list through cold calling was and is going to be much more effective than trying to build a list through SEO or online marketing methods. Now, just below is the exact opening sales pitch that I used. If your product is industrial supplies or something similar, you won't have to change it too much. Regardless of whatever dropshipping products you are selling, you can alter this pitch to fit your niche. If you take a real quick look at the pitch, you can see that it is short and sweet and to the point. You should also notice a couple other things about this short little cold calling script. Notice how I assumed it was okay to get the email rather than asking, can I have the email? I assumed that they were going to give it to me and it was no big deal. Also notice one other thing. The reason I was able to generate more initial sales on the first cold call than I expected is because I did ask the customer if I could help them out after I got their email address. So below is actually a quick copy of the pitch, and just to narrate it to you, it does go like this. Hello there, is this John? Hey there, John. My name is Bill. I'm with a company called Midwest Industrial Supply. You may have seen us online or even at one of the trade shows, but we're actually one of the largest dealers of name brand surplus cutting tools and industrial supplies in the country, and our prices are about 15 to 20% better across the board than MSC. I really just wanted to see if I could start sending you my monthly email specials. That should be okay, right? Customer usually says, sure. Okay, great. What's your email? And don't worry, I won't bombard you with spam. It's usually like 1 or 2 good sales a month. You get the email and finish the pitch. As you can notice, I just kind of breeze through it real quickly. Doesn't take more than 20 seconds, and I assume that should be okay, right? No big deal. And I also throw this little line in there. Don't worry, I won't bombard you with spam. Just kind of makes them feel a little bit more comfortable. Now, when I finish the pitch here, moving on. Okay, great. Now, once I've got the email, okay, great now, John. Well, I got you on the phone. We do carry pretty much everything you can think of, and we're one of the largest dealers of name brand carbide inserts in the country. We got all shapes, styles, grades, pretty much every name brand you can think of. Let me ask you while I got you on the phone, is there a specific insert maybe I could check on for you, maybe get you a price? Okay, and then the customer might say, yeah, no, or I'll say, what do you use? And this is my time for finding out a little bit more about the customer. First of all, I can find out, is this customer trying to get me off the phone quick? Is he allowing me to talk to him? I'm pretty much trying to put the ball in his court by asking him questions to get him to open up to me. By doing that, I can find out what he uses, what he does out there, what types of products he uses, brand names, whatnot. As you can see, I'm pretty much going in with one product, but there's thousands of products you could use. This was just one example product that I know everybody uses, and so I felt it was a good product to open with. So that's your pitch. And in closing, there's many ways you can promote your dropshipping business and get the word out to new potential customers. But in my opinion, cold calling is one of the most effective methods. And hopefully I've proven that to you. So you just let me know if you got any questions or if I can help in any way. Thanks for reading.